Okay, so in this video we are going to learn how to import data file in SPSS. So I have opened the SPSS 21. So when you open SPSS, it will ask how you want to load the data. If you already have saved data, you can, or you want to run a tutorial, or if you have a saved file. So since we need to import it, so I will go with type in data. Okay, and it will open an empty sheet. Now here I will go to file, read text data. So read a file. So I will select this and I will go where the file has been kept. So I will go in my drive assignment folder. Slides, slides. So because I know the file is a text Excel file, I will select this and I will select the file and open. Before moving to next step here, you need to see the file first. So I will open up the file. Now you can notice that the first two rows are the names of the variables. So if you want to keep, you can keep only one. So if you want to keep the full name, you have to remove the row number 2 or make hide it. If you want to keep the second one, then you will skip the first one. So this is the data file, and I know that I need to keep sheet number 1. So in SPSS, since I am going to skip sheet row number 1, what I will do, I will write A2 A W1662. So what I'm doing here, I'm skipping A1. So it means the first line will be skipped and the second line will be read as names of variables. So when I do it, it will load and you can notice the variable names are there. All the data is appropriately loaded. And the difference in my the loaded file and the example that that you have seen is that in my loaded file the data have proper decimal places, and it's properly read. And if you go in a variable view, it has differentiated between nominal and a scale variable. So there was level, so data is cleanly loaded. So this way you can load the data file in SPSS.